Jersey, we need a comeback. No relations was no downgrade. I need a house with an upstairs and that type of money that makes no sense. Running through the track, no recess. This flow too sweet, okay, let's reset. Take only love and skip the hate. Skip the first slice and eat the rest. Ndikuda Chingwa,
I need the bread.
Chingwa, you keep the rest.
You keep the rest.
We never do nothing that we never wanna do. We lack fakeness, the crew hella cool. Swag too new, it's no old school. Mock Hour, the name they all knew. Came with no relations as Uncle Z. People got shocked, Dakavasia, Body Z. Took all the love, skipped all the hate. Uncle Z, that an icon, your boy brand new. Takes only love and skip the hate.
Skip the hate.
Skip the first slice and eat the rest.
Skip the rest.
Ndikuda Chingwa, now need the bread. Chingwa, you keep the rest. Destiny help us on the way, I can feel it in the wave. Swimming in a pool, no rest, no pain. Yeah, we stay paid, just passing through the flames. Till we receive that the coins got paid. The money, the dollars, that sweet senorita. Me and my miss drinking sweet margaritas. They will look, they will hate, but I'm sticking with my sister. The devil insane, and I pray to never meet her. Take only love and skip the hate. Skip the hate. Skip the first slice and eat the rest. Ndikuda Chingwa, I'll need the bread. Chingwa, you keep the rest. Ndikuda Chingwa, now we need the bread. You can take the love, death to the hate. Chingwa, where you keep the rest. No time to rest, I gotta get the bread. Take only love and skip the hate. Skip the first slice and eat the rest. Ndikuda Chingwa, I need the bread. Chingwa, you keep the rest. Uncle Z, you back, it's been a while, no. No need to rest, we on the grind slow. No need for fakes, we keep it simple. No lames, no more, we stay humble. No time to rest, I gotta get the bread. Take only love and skip the hate. Skip the first slice and eat the rest. Ndikuda Chingwa, I need the bread. Chingwa, you keep the rest. I'm one dope fella, Kukara Ndidi Z, I'm no dope dealer.